Will you join me for the football match next week?
Yes, I will join you for the match next week.
When will you finish your homework?
I will finish my homework by evening.
Will you help me clean the garage this weekend?
Of course, I will help you clean the garage this weekend.
When will you visit your grandparents?
I will visit my grandparents during the holidays.
Will you come with me to the park tomorrow?
Sure, I will come to the park with you tomorrow.
Will you call me when you get home?
Yes, I will call you when I get home.
Will you teach me how to bake cookies?
I will teach you how to bake cookies on Sunday.
When will you decide on your holiday plans?
I will decide on my holiday plans by next week.
Will you bring your camera to the picnic?
Yes, I will bring my camera to the picnic.
Will you help me prepare for the math test?
I will help you prepare for the math test tonight.
Will you watch the new movie with me?
Sure, I will watch the new movie with you.
When will you start your art project?
I will start my art project this weekend.
Will you join me for the summer camp?
Yes, I will join you for the summer camp.
Will you write a poem for the competition?
I will write a poem for the competition next week.
When will you tell me about your travel plans?
I will tell you about my travel plans soon.
Will you visit the library with me tomorrow?
Yes, I will visit the library with you tomorrow.
Will you share your notes after class?
I will share my notes with you after class.
When will you clean your room?
I will clean my room tomorrow morning.
Will you practice singing with me?
Of course, I will practice singing with you.
When will you finish reading that book?
I will finish reading the book by the weekend.
Will you help me plant flowers in the garden?
Yes, I will help you plant flowers in the garden.
Will you join me for a walk this evening?
I will join you for a walk this evening.
When will you send me the pictures from the trip?
I will send you the pictures from the trip by tonight.
Will you learn to play chess with me?
Sure, I will learn to play chess with you.
Will you come to the rehearsal on Saturday?
Yes, I will come to the rehearsal on Saturday.
Will you lend me your crayons for the project?
You can use my crayons for your project.
When will you start learning the guitar?
I will start learning the guitar next month.
Will you be my partner for the science experiment?
Yes, I will be your partner for the science experiment.
Will you attend the school event next week?
I will attend the school event next week.
When will you show me your new sketch?
I will show you my new sketch tomorrow.
Will you go shopping with me next month?
Sure, I will go shopping with you next month.
Will you help me build the model airplane?
Yes, I will help you build the model airplane.
When will you plan your surprise for the teacher?
I will plan the surprise for the teacher this week.
Will you read the story I wrote?
I will read the story you wrote and give you feedback.
Will you save money to buy the new book?
I will save money to buy the new book soon.
When will you visit the art gallery?
I will visit the art gallery during the holidays.
Will you join the book club with me?
Yes, I will join the book club with you.
Will you participate in the school play?
I will participate in the school play.
Will you decorate the room for the party?
I will decorate the room for the party on Friday.
When will you come over to my house?
I will come over to your house on Sunday.
Will you come with me to feed the stray animals?
Yes, I will come with you to feed the stray animals.
Will you bring snacks for our picnic?
I will bring snacks for our picnic.
Will you organize your bookshelf this weekend?
I will organize my bookshelf this weekend.
When will you repair your bicycle?
I will repair my bicycle on Saturday.
Will you bring the board game to school tomorrow?
Yes, I will bring the board game to school tomorrow.
Will you help me write my speech for the event?
I will help you write your speech for the event.
When will you submit your science project?
I will submit my science project by Thursday.
Will you attend the dance workshop with me?
Yes, I will attend the dance workshop with you.
Will you take care of the plants when I'm away?
I will take care of the plants while you're away.
Will you draw a picture for my scrapbook?
Yes, I will draw a picture for your scrapbook.
Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to us.